Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're installing every mod that anyone, the Volkswagen, Audi, or any German car that's turboed should get. So this here, I'm really excited for. It's from Torque Solutions. The diverter valve adapter, which is basically like a blow-off valve for us. So this is really simple. You take the diverter valve out and you put this adapter, is kind of like a spacer in, and since it has these little holes, it makes that typical blow-off sound. So it comes with the 3 bolts that you need. It's pretty simple. So we're gonna go jack the car up and get it done. They said it should only take about 15-20 minutes. Let's hope that's the case. Okay, and you guys by now have seen the color reveal, but I just cannot get over how nice this turned out. This color is great. So it's really nice. I'm digging it a lot. So by the time you guys will see the color reveal, this was done last night in my time, but you'll see this video probably much later. Alright, let's get this car jacked up.
Okay, so I switched to my iPhone because it's really tight down here, but this black piece right here, the diverter valve, so I've already got one of the screws out, so there's 3 more. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out real quick and then we'll come back. Alright, so that's everything there. There's the diverter valve. This is the diverter valve, and then here's the blow-off valve, or the diverter valve adapter. It's supposed to give us a cool sound. So it's all in, buttoned up. It's really tight and hard to film, so I apologize for not installing me, or videoing me installing 3 screws, but we're gonna turn it on. Hopefully it makes cool race car noises.
Okay, blow-off valve adapter, diverter valve adapter is in. I'm really hoping that it sounds how it's supposed to, because this is gonna be amazing. I love turbo noises, so let's see. That's so sick! That's sick! I don't know how well you can hear that on camera. It's like a whoosh of sound, and then it like gurgles a little more now. It's freaking great. That's amazing. Alright, let's drive this around. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. Oh, I love it so much. You can hear it like and it's so loud. That's amazing. That's addicting. Oh, that's so great. That is so freaking great. Alright guys, so that's everything there. That's gonna be today's install. Next is the downpipe and midpipe, which is gonna make this car so ungodly loud. But I'm in love with this diverter valve adapter. It's just like a blow-off valve, doesn't throw a check engine light, and since it is a dual clutch, you still keep boost between gears unless you let off the gas. So I love it to death, absolutely. It's like, I think it was $50 for that piece with the hardware, and again, it's from Torque Solutions, so it's a great company. So if you guys have any questions, put it down in the comments. I will reply. If there's things you wish I would have done or things you did like, let me know in the comments as well. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this, share with your friends, share with other people, and yeah, that's everything there. But I'll see you guys in the next video.